Hello everyone, I'm Oath, Thai in the United States. I just left the dentist office. I have an appointment today to pick up my second night guard. I had the first one 9 years ago. I had no idea at all why people need to wear night guard until I need it. The doctor told me that I was beating my teeth as pressure strong bite at night that caused some problem of the teeth, and I need one. At first I refused to get because of the cost, and 2 years later the clinic contacted me that I pay less than the original cost. If I'm not wrong, the original one was $600 and then they go down to $500. That was still expensive, and I refilled the second time, and after that 2 years after, the cost was $300. I'm not quite sure. I don't remember well. That time I decided to get one, and then I wear it every night. Until now, I need a new one because the old one was in very bad shape. It was changing color, and the plastic, the layer, outside layer was broken a little part and just disappear somewhere until inside the thin layer came out of it, but I still using it. And today I got a new one with my 3D printing teeth. This was funny. Teeth. And she told me how to use it, take care of it, which this time only cold water to rinse and wash. That different from the first one because they suggested me for the first one using warm water, and then she just explained, which I don't remember now. And I need to do my partial teeth. I had since I was in Thailand for like 20 years, and recently it is broken about 1 or 2 years ago. I didn't decide to do yet because of the cost here. It's expensive. Even insurance paid, I still need to pay out of the pocket about $500. So I am thinking a little long while. I may go back to Thailand sometime soon and talk at the dental clinic to do my partial. I check online, the cost is vary, but still cheaper than here. Anyway, we'll see. My experience doing this, dental, and see the dentist every year since the first year I got here. So far so good, and I need to keep seeing them because I don't want to have problem with my teeth at all, and still scared. I don't know why I'm scared to see dentists, and I don't like the sound of the tool when they do something in my mouth. This is the 3D printing of my teeth. That's funny, right? And cute. And this is the Dia 3D printing my husband printed at his work and he took it back home. It is cute too. And this is my first night guard that I got 9 years ago. Still working good, and I am still using it. At the clinics told me as long as it's still okay, I can keep it as spare or using it when travel, because if I lost it, it's gonna be okay because I already have a new one. Thank you for watching and listening to my English. Bye.